In a world obsessed with power, one machine rewrites the rules. The Yamaha R1, born on the track, refined for the street. Every line, every curve, pure aggression in motion. 998 cubic centimeter crossplane inline 4 engine. 200 horsepower, a sound that roars like thunder. Top speed, 186 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds, and every shift, razor sharp. Equipped with a 6-axis IMU, quick shifter, slide control, and MotoGP DNA in every bolt. It's not just a superbike, it's a statement. This is the Yamaha R1. Ride it, if you can handle it.